Hi guys, so today I'll be showing us 5 different ways to cure our hiccups. Well, the first one actually works very well. In fact, it works immediately, especially for me. It works immediately. So all you need is water, very cold water. How cold? If you can get ice water, something like that. So all you're going to do is you're going to take 7 gulps. Make sure it is 7. You're going to gulp down 7 times. So if you want to take the water at once, then gulp 7 times, fine. If you want to take it twice, then gulp 7 times, fine. But make sure it is 7. Make sure you count the gulp and it is 7. After that, it will stop immediately. It works very well. It works like magic.